Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Unsalted Kitchen again. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and low sodium Filipino bread roll called Pandesal. Crispy on the outside, moist and fluffy on the inside, and delicious. Alright, let's get baking, folks. Alright folks, let's start with dry ingredients. Here I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I also added 1/4 teaspoon salt and half cup of white sugar. For the wet ingredients, I have 1 egg, 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, half cup of warm milk. I use regular, half cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon vegetables oil, and for the yeast ingredients, I have 3 teaspoon yeast, dry yeast, 1/4 cup of warm water, and 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Combine water, sugar, and yeast together, mix well, set aside, and wait for 7 minutes or until it's foamy. Meanwhile, melt the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. After the butter is melted, beat the egg. Combine warm milk and water, add in egg, butter, and cooking oil into the milk mixtures and whisk to combine. Now that the yeast is about ready and beautifully foamy, mix sugar into the flour, stir to combine. Alright folks, let's put all these ingredients together into the mixing bowl. We're going to use the regular hook to mix this pandesal. First, pour all the wet ingredients to the machine bowl, including the yeast mixtures. Then gradually add the dry ingredients and turn on the mixer to pulse for a few seconds, and then let the machine do the work for you. Let it mix to low speed for a minute, then scrape down some dough or dry flour off the sides of the bowl mixture, then continue mixing for 5 minutes on 3rd speed settings. In the meantime, brush with vegetables oil a glass or stainless bowl deep enough, making sure that the dough won't overflow while it's proofing. Once dough is kneaded well after 5 minutes and it's looking smooth, transfer the dough to a prepared bowl. Dough will be really sticky, so rub your palm with a little oil. Cover with cling wrap over and towel, then put it in a warm place, or better yet, inside the proofing oven for 2 hours. After 2 hours of proofing, this is what dough would look like if it was done right. Take the cling wrap off the top, let the air out by poking it with your fingers, and knead the dough right inside the bowl by turning the dough into a smooth ball. As you know, Pandesal means bread of salt, but it's contrary to its name. It tastes slightly sweet rather than salty. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and divide into 4 equal pieces. Divide each piece again into 6 balls, about a size of a golf ball. Roll each ball into a bowl of breadcrumbs and place them on as pan sheets. You should have a total of 24 pieces altogether. Did you know the precursor of Pandesal was pan de suelo, meaning floor bread, a local Spanish Filipino version of the French baguette baked directly on the floor of a wood-fired oven or a pugon, and that was made with wheat flour and was harder and crustier than Pandesal? Well, because wheat in the Philippines is not natively produced, eventually bakers switched to more affordable inferior flour, resulting the softer, doughy texture of Pandesal. Pretty cool, huh? In the Philippines, Pandesal is most commonly served hot and eaten as is, or dipped in coffee, hot chocolate, or milk. It can also be complemented with butter, margarine, cheese, peanut butter, or better yet, filled with fried eggs or sardines. Those are my favorite, eggs or sardines. Anyways, the taste and textures happen to be like Puerto Rican bread, pan de agua, French baguette, and Mexican bolillos. If you ever have tried it before. Once done, cover again with cling wrap and towel over and place it in a warm place and allow to rise once more for 30 minutes. 10 minutes before the timer is done, turn the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake Pandesal for 12 to 15 minutes or until the top is golden brown. There we go, folks. Pandesal is ready to eat. It's really hot, so we have to wait about 10 to 15 minutes to cool down before eating it. And since I don't have sardines and I'm being lazy to fry some eggs, I'm just going to stick with my favorite butter, a low sodium light butter. Alright, let's eat, folks. See you later, and thank you for watching my channel again. If you like this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Also, I would love to read your comments, so please tell me what you think about this video. Until next time, see you later. Bye!